October 27th, there were individuals that were camping in the ditches on both sides of Highway 1806. And Highway 1806 is just a two-lane, narrow road with very little shoulder. It was a public safety issue. We had many times we were down there and talking to the individuals, asking them to move. All they needed to do was move back to the camp.
The last thing we want is a confrontation.
They moved into the private property and then saying that they were taking that over by eminent domain, but it doesn't work like that. It's private property, and at that point was owned by Energy Transfer Partners. We had 300 plus law enforcement was there, and this is a time where we put out the request for out-of-state officers to come, and those officers were in North Dakota and were present at the time. Law enforcement was very professional, very restrained. It's a situation where all you have to do is follow the law, listen to law enforcement, and if they come up to you, you don't resist and then claim it's excessive force. Some of the tools in the tool chest that we had at that point was an LRAD system that was on one of the law enforcement vehicles. We also have, just like our normal duties, we have OC spray that's available and also tasers. The one point I want to make is that private security was present down there, but they're not associated with law enforcement. Law enforcement and private security do work together depending on, the circumstance, and in this case, we did. Being that this has now come to the conclusion, the pipeline is in the ground, we're trying to get back to, I guess, a normal state, if you want to call it that.